Hello guys, how are you doing? Hello guys, how are you doing all over there? I'm very happy, very glad to see you again in this episode. For those who don't know me, I am Anil. Yeah, that is my name. Don't mind if you don't mind of telling you my father's name or the rest of my names. But I like introducing myself as Anil. Um, Today we're gonna discuss something so important, so special, so amazing, and so fundamental. When you talk of being admired, something being amazing, something you can get or you can benefit from, is exactly what I mean. And today I've discussed, or I'm going to discuss with you, a new website that I've discovered recently. The website is not new. It has been existing for a long time. Um, First of all, before discussing or before going straight into the website or discuss something about website, as a online marketer or online jobs workers, you need to have 3 or 4 things in mind before signing up for any website you're gonna work in. First of all, when you find a new website, you need to ask yourself, is this a really legitimate website? Is it this website good for me, or will this website work for me? Can I, if I use this website, will I get some cash or will I earn some money from it? These are basic questions you need to ask yourself before ask internet or do research online. Just ask yourself, ask personally. There are some answers you will find or you will understand, or you will get them from yourself, while the rest you will get from colleagues, mates, or you get from internet. Therefore, when you are done with that, you go straight to the website, do research. If the website is legitimate or if the website is scam. Therefore, nowadays there are fake website which is scam. A lot of new or a lot of beginners who have recent joins and online marketing or online jobs, you end up wasting your time. Some of them do investments because we understand most website or some of website nowadays you need to do some investment. Therefore, you would start cash out. Then you start cash out some money from it. I really advise all my audience to be very keen when signing for a new website. Nowadays you may get a website who need just to know more, need more about not more, need details about you, and you will get a form. You fill it with your emails, your full name, maybe your ID for verifications, yani, or any other legal documents you have. Therefore, after you give them out all the details they need, you find the website is not functioning well, but already they have your details and they use it in other business or they use against you in years to come. We never know. Therefore, you need to be very clear about scammers nowadays. It become high rate in these continents or in the today's world. Therefore, without wasting time, I'm going to show you exactly the platform, and the platform is Remotasks platform or website. It is like everybody have, or most of you have heard about Remotasks, but some of you don't know how it functions, or they've never used that platform before. If you have already working on website or in Remotasks account, I don't think this video is healthy for you or useful for you, unless you need getting some basic information from it. But if you really need to do or to have or to cash or to earn some decent amount of money in remote tasks, therefore definitely you can do or you can make it, as long as you have those three qualities in you. One is confidence. Be sure of yourself, know who you are, and everything will be easier for you. Secondly, you need to be hardworking. When we talk of hardworking, you put more effort, you sacrifice your time. This is all about hardworking. Not time really, but you're putting more effort. Thirdly, is related to that, but is commitments. When you talk of commitment, we talk about time now. How you sacrifice your time, uh, and many other things you do. Therefore, in remote tasks, it depends on time only, and it depends on these three things I've talked about: time, commitment, work, or putting more effort. If you have these three qualities, meaning that you are good to go in remote tasks. And in remote tasks, since you don't have supervisor, you are boss of your own. You decide where to do, when to do, what to do, when to start. Therefore, everything depends on you. If you decide to sleep or to sit behind, it upon you. But if you really need to earn money from remote tasks, you need to invest more time. The website is free, no any investment. Is what you invest is only time. Time, as I'm talking. Another thing, you need to verify it, the website, if it is working. But the good thing is in Remotasks is that Remotasks is working all over the world since 2020. But before 2020, Remotasks was working in some part of the world. But reaching 2020, during the pandemics, it has been advantage to the rest of the world, whereby today Remotasks is all over, everywhere. As long as you have computer or mobile phones or a desktop or laptop and internet connection, you are free to go, or you are ready to do the task. And the tasks, someone may ask, what are the really tasks being done in Remotasks website or platforms? Yeah, in Remotasks website there are a lot of tasks people are doing there. There are even some courses which are not long-term course, a course of only 20 hours or 20 minutes or 30 minutes. If it is so long, 1 hour course or one hour course. Yeah. Therefore, before you start, you need also to know about transactions being done in remote tasks. If I start my task today, how will I receive my money, or how will I cash out my money? Therefore, you will create an Remotasks accounts in the platform. Uh, After you sign, you show that you will be seeing your dashboard, uh, where you will be paid, where you will be withdraw. Talking on withdraw, it will be our next episode or our next video. I'm gonna exactly discuss more about how you will cash out from the website, or how will you withdraw, and how you will link your bank's accounts, especially using those three systems. Yeah, as I was saying, in our next episodes, I'm going to show you how to link those systems, whereby, um, as you know, PayPal is working all over. Therefore, if you are using the ATM card or the Visa card or the Mastercard, I'm going to show you exactly how you link them, and it become easier for you. But for those who are here resident in Kenya, you have an extra bonus, whereby you will link through an M-Pesa, and I will show you that one exactly how you link it through M-Pesa. You go to your local banks, instead of you going to town so that to cash out and in a national bank or international bank, you will just cash out locally, and just as easy as that. Therefore, I would like to appreciate and thank you all for your time. And if you think the video was healthy for you or was very important or very useful to you, I would like that you give it thumb, click the subscribe button below, see you in the next video. Thank you.